According to videocards.com, the RTX 3050 will be released about January next year, with an improved 6GB of GDDR6 VRAM and 3584 CUDA cores. It seems that the 3050 Ti will be closer to the 3060 than the 3050 Ti. Also, from the same website, which link will be in the description, Videocards claims that the 3050 Ti will be under £200, or $200. These rumours aren't definite, but it is true that it's likely. For the CPU, it depends what's cheap in your region. You won't need anything more powerful than either of these. Both are very close in performance, and it just depends what is cheapest to you. All of these links will be in the description. For the motherboard, both Intel and AMD motherboards can be quite cheap. The motherboard for AMD is on the right, which will support the 3100 and 4 slots to upgrade the RAM if you want. The Intel motherboard has 2 RAM slots, but that's enough for the 16GB of RAM that I've listed. For RAM, both of these kits are 16GB. The left is cheaper and white at 3200MHz, but if you prefer the black one on the right, it will cost you slightly more, and it's also slightly slower by 200MHz. But that will not matter for the Intel choice, because Intel limits, the motherboard will limit the process speed to 2933MHz. This is a Samsung 860 EVO. It's £5 or more, or so, more than a Crucial SSD, but I just prefer the design of this, and I'd say Samsung are more reliable. This is a case spec. This case is a spec of 5 from Corsair. You can change the case to your preference, just make sure that it fits a micro ATX motherboard. It comes with a fan, and I'd say you don't need another one, as the 3050 Ti will be a low powered graphics card, but if you do want some more identical fans, they'll be linked in the description. The power supply is quite overkill, but it was cheaper than the 500 watt option. It's 80 plus efficiency. In total, this all adds up to £570 roughly. But if you are going to build this PC and live in the UK, I'd appreciate it if you use the links below, because I make some money without you spending any extra. Thanks for watching.